Well, hello and welcome to another Kuma's Kitchen, and tonight we got a nice salad here. It's still hot out, so it's something nice and refreshing. This is, I simply call it, salami salad. Yeah, well, there's a lot more than just salami in there, but that's kind of the main ingredient. And what we've got here is I've got cabbage, I've got salami stuff in little pieces like that, little matchsticks. I got pieces of mozzarella cheese in there, got olives in there, got red bell peppers. Quite colorful too, isn't it? And quite delicious and very refreshing. So you got just a simple vinaigrette and then this. Yeah. That's a nice little summer salad. We're gonna have that tonight actually. We're having that with some bread on the side. Oh, it's gonna go real nicely with that. Oh yeah. Alright, let's go in the kitchen and make that right now. This is the ingredients, what we've got across the front here. Well, I got 5 ingredients that make up the dressing, and that is 1 tablespoon of Dijon mustard, half a teaspoon each of salt and pepper, 3 tablespoons of vinegar, and a 1/4 cup of olive oil. That's just all going to get whisked together and mixed in. Then, for the ingredients themselves, the salad, well, I've got here is a half a cup of olive halves. I've taken these pitted olives and cut them in half, and then measured out a half a cup of those. Over here, I've got 6 ounces or 170 grams of mozzarella cheese chopped up. I mean, basically what I've done is, the mozzarella cheese is about this thick. I've sliced pieces of it, about a 1/4 inch or 5 millimeters thick, and then cut again that way the other direction. So it basically gets these little chunks like this. Perfect. That's going to fit just nicely in the salad. Over here, I've taken 2 red bell peppers and chopped them up. Not too fine, but not too big. I just want about that size right there. Yeah, so what? Most of those are about somewhere between a 1/4 inch and a 1/2 inch, or between 5 and 12 millimeters. And then the salami, what I've done here is I've taken, this is 8 ounces or 280 grams of salami, and basically cut that into rounds, you know, like about that thick. What's that, 1/8 of an inch, 2-3 millimeters, and then cut that again across into matchsticks. So you just had to take the round pieces and cut them across into matchsticks, and that's just perfect. And then over here I've got a 1/4 of a head of cabbage, and I've sliced this very thin. I forget what we call this in English, but in Japanese we call this sengiri, 1,000 cuts, and that's basically what it takes to make this. It takes a bit of cutting, but look at that, it's just perfect. All right, let's move some of the dressing or the salad pieces off to one side so I can make the dressing first. I'm gonna bring in the bowl here. I'm just gonna toss everything in there. So we're gonna put the olive oil in there and the vinegar. Got all that olive oil, all right. Salt and pepper, and the mustard. That's probably need a little bit of help. The whisk, get the rest of that. Oh, now I got all over my fingers. All right, real good. But we got most of the mustard in there. Nice Dijon mustard. Then just whisk that up until it comes together. That mustard's going to help hold it all together. Just long enough to get everything in here. So there we go. That's looking good. All right. Off to the side. First thing I want to do is I want to toss in the cabbage. And I'm going to toss that around so I can soak up some of that dressing. Just get that mixed in until basically wetted all the cabbage with some of the dressing. Just keep tossing until you're sure it's all distributed throughout there nicely. And then, well, it's really easy. In goes the rest of the ingredients. So, the red bell pepper, the cheese, the olives, and the salami. All right. And then, without getting it all over the counter, just lift and turn until it all comes together. Alright, that's looking pretty good. I'll tell you, if I had a bigger bowl, that would be really nice. Those really big bowls, you can really toss that in there, but no, I don't have one here in the kitchen, so I don't have one at home either. We just have to do with what we have. Alright, there we go. That's it. Now I'm just going to throw it, or throw a wrap on it, chill it. It's ready for dinner. Hey, if you like the salami salad, well, stick around. There's a lot more recipes here. All original Kevin Riley recipes here on Kuma's Kitchen. And also, if this is your first time, make sure that you click that subscribe button and the notification bell so you find out when the next one is coming out. Got a lot more coming yet. All right, now go make this and make cooking fun again with Kuma's Kitchen.